Okay, now we can try to turn out that valve. Got a piece of leather with a hole cut in it. And I like to put a generator nut back on top of that, across those threads, just in case something happens it was to slip. Don't want to damage my threads. Okay, I got my homemade tool here, just a deep well impact socket that I had 2 or 3 of the same kind, and I just took a grinder and ground out a notch in it. Alright, now that's out, we'll throw it in the vinegar. With the collar straight out now. No rust on that, so no sense in putting it in the vinegar. I think it's more dirt than anything on that frame, so I don't think I'm going to give it a vinegar bath. I'm just going to clean it up also. Okay, I'm going to take this torch and I want to heat that bung. I'm going to try not to heat up that fountain no more than I have to. That's why I like them small butane torches. You can concentrate your heat better in one little area. Just a 9/16 socket.